Good morning, Mr. Dahlquist. This is Sally over at Toyota of Melbourne. I wanted to come out and just shoot you a quick video of the 2007 Toyota Rav4 that you and your daughter came in and looked at the other day, just in case you needed a reminder as to what the vehicle looked like, what condition it was in when you guys checked it out. I know when you shop for a bunch of pre-owned vehicles, it starts to kind of get jumbled up. And you forget what these cars look like. So just to give you a reminder, I wanted to shoot you a quick video inside and outside of the vehicle. This one did have, I believe, 107,000 miles. It's a 2007 Toyota 4Runner. Oh yeah, so the seats back here do fold down, and they do fold down pretty flat, and then you can kind of bring them back up. That middle console with the armrest does go down separate. It does swing out, not up, for the back trunk space, and it does have a nice trunk mat too. Here, if I can get it up. But yeah, it's a nice Rav4 trunk mat. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Okay, my phone number here is 321-254-8888. My extension directly is 349. Hope you enjoyed this quick video, and I look forward to helping you out with your purchase.